So let's read the question. Show that in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. So first step is draw your figure. I've drawn the figure over here. I've taken a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. So let's begin. So first of all, let's write down what is given to us. What is given to us? A triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degrees. So a triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So this over here is given to us. Next, what do we have to prove? So we have to prove the hypotenuse is the longer side. So first of all, identify the hypotenuse. Which is the hypotenuse? Side opposite to the 90-degree angle. So side opposite to this is AC. That means AC is the hypotenuse. So we have to show hypotenuse is the longest side. That means AC is greater than AB and AC is greater than BC. So we have to show hypotenuse, that is AC, is longer than the other two sides, AB and AC and BC. So given is done, to prove is done. Now let's begin with the proof. So see, I want to show that one side is greater than the other. That means we have to take the help of the theorem we learned. In a triangle, side opposite to the greater angle is longer. I repeat, whenever you have such type of questions, in a triangle prove one side is bigger than the other. Ultimately, we have to take the help of that theorem. In a triangle, side opposite to the greater angle is longer. So basically, we need a relationship between two angles. One is bigger than the other, and then we can get the conclusion. So let's begin. Now, how do we begin over here? Always begin with what is given to you. What is given to us? Angle B is 90 degrees, right? So we have to take the help of this. What do we do? Do I know angle A? No. Do I know angle C? Ultimately, I want a relationship between angle B and angle A and angle B and angle C. So what do we do? Apply the angle sum property, right? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C, 180. So first step, apply the angle sum property. So in triangle ABC, what does the angle sum property say? Sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Angle sum property. So I mentioned over here, angle sum property. Now we already know the value of angle B, plug it in as 90. So angle A unknown plus angle B 90 plus angle C is equal to 180. Take the 90 over there. So angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees plus 90 will become minus 90. So we have angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 minus 90, 90 degrees. So we're getting angle A plus angle C is 90 degrees. So sum of two angles is 90. That means each of the angle is less than 90. So we have, this implies angle A is less than 90 degrees. Similarly, we have angle C is less than 90 degrees. I repeat, sum of two angles is 90. That means each of them is less than 90. Now what is 90 degrees? Angle B is 90 degrees. So I can replace 90 degree over here by angle B. So therefore, angle A is less than angle B. Why? Angle B is 90 degrees. So now I have angle A is less than angle B. So between angle A and angle B, which is the bigger angle? Angle B. That means side opposite to angle B will be bigger than the side opposite to angle A. So which is the side opposite to angle B? Side opposite to angle B is AC. So therefore, AC is longer than, which is the side opposite to angle A? Side opposite to angle A is BC. So we have AC is greater than BC. I repeat, the moment you have a relationship between the angles, the side opposite to the greater angle will be bigger than the side opposite to the small angle. Right? Same thing over here. We have angle C is less than 90, angle B is equal to 90. So angle C is less than angle B. So which is the bigger angle? Angle B. So which is the side opposite to angle B? AC. So therefore AC is longer than side opposite to angle C, that is AB. So we have AC is greater than BC and AC is greater than AB, which is exactly what we had to prove. Now do write the reason. What is the reason over here? In a triangle, side opposite to the greater angle is longer. So you can just write over here. So side opposite to the greater angle is longer. copy the same reason over here. That is, here I don't have space, so you can write the same reason over here. So AC is greater than BC and AC is greater than AB. So hence proved. This is exactly what we had to prove. So AC is greater than BC and AC is greater than AB. So hence proved. So this is how you show it. So remember, whenever you have in a triangle prove one side greater than the other, ultimately you have to take the help of this theorem. So we basically need a relationship between the two angles. So just think how to get that relationship. What is given to me in this question? Angle B is 90. Now I want a relationship between angle C and angle A. So basically we're dealing with angles of a triangle. Apply the angle sum property. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180. So we get angle A plus angle C is 90. Because sum of these two angles is 90, that means individually each of them is less than 90. Now what is 90? Angle B. So angle A less than angle B, so side opposite to angle B is greater than side opposite to angle A. Similarly, angle C less than angle B, side opposite to angle B, greater than side opposite to angle C. So AC is greater than BC, AC is greater than AB. So AC is bigger than the other two sides, hence AC is the longest side, hence proved. Right? So this is how you solve such type of questions.